Home assignment answers. Roman number 1. Answer the following. Question 1. Why did Subhash Chandra Bose think it was proper to give a detailed introduction of his family and himself to C.R. Das? Answer. Subhash Chandra Bose was a stranger to C.R. Das at the time of writing the letter. He wanted to actively participate in freedom struggle. As he needed guidance in this regard, he thought it was necessary to give a detailed introduction of his family and himself. Question 2. What options did he have in his mind after quitting the ICS? Answer. Subhash Chandra Bose had plans to teach in the National College at Calcutta, write and publish books and newspaper, organize village societies and spread education among the common people. Question 3. How did the civil services examination help him? Answer. The civil services examination helped him to gain knowledge in different subjects like economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography, which are part of the syllabus. Roman number 2. Make sentences for the following. Enthusiasm. The students took part in the annual day function with much enthusiasm. Determination. Achievements are possible through determination and hard work. Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronouns from the words given in the brackets. Some, neither, either, one, this, each, all, that, those. Question 1. The climate of Belgaum is like dash of Pune. That is the answer. Question 2. I bought these mangoes for 3 rupees dash. Each is the answer. Question 3. Dash must not be too proud about their wealth. 1 is the answer. Question 4. Our soldiers are better equipped than dash of the enemies. Those is the answer. Question 5. Dash of the men won the lottery. Neither is the answer. Question 6. Dash the teachers were present for the meeting. All is the answer. Question 7. Dash is a present from my uncle. This is the answer. Question 8. Dash one of you will have to quit the game. Either is the answer. Question 9. Dash say that he received an award. Some is the answer. Let us recap what we learnt in the previous session. Subhash Chandra Bose assures Mr. Chittaranjan Das that he will have plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College and by writing and publishing books and newspapers, organizing village societies and educating the common people. Mr. Bose requests Mr. Das to let him know all the works that he will be assigned in the National Service Program. He assures him that he will serve the nation with enthusiasm. He tells that he is thankful to the civil service examination which provided him all-round education in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. Subhash Chandra Bose informs that he is eager to join the field work with definite plans and does not want to spend on aimless activities. Subhash Chandra Bose keeps Mr. Das informed that he will be sending his present and future letter correspondence through a trusted friend as he feared censorship from the British as he was in government service. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings and how to use them in sentences. Probationer means a person in a trial period. As a probationer, the employee is not eligible for leave. Trusted means full faith on honesty and ability of the person. My mother trusted me and handed over the documents. Propaganda means action to influence public opinion. During election, there was a lot of propaganda for the candidate. I want to quit the ICS. This is a letter which Subhash Chandra Bose is writing to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, who is a leader in the Congress. I have a few ideas in my mind regarding the movement. I think there must be a permanent meeting place. We must have a house for this purpose. There will be a group of research students who will be carrying on research on various national problems. My personal view is that we have to maintain a permanent staff. They will do research on individual problems. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings. Movement means general activities. Permanent means intent to last. Purpose means sense of resolve or determination. Research means reach new conclusions. Individual means single or separate. Children, Subhash Chandra Bose writes that he had formed a few ideas regarding the Indian national movement. He believes that there must be a permanent meeting place, perhaps a house. He also said that there is a need for a research group to study the various national problems. He says that it's his personal view to have a dedicated staff to study and to do research on individual problems. Children, let us read this paragraph together. I have a few ideas in my mind regarding the movement. I think there must be a permanent meeting place. We must have a house for this purpose. There will be a group of research students who will be carrying on research on various national problems. My personal view is that we have to maintain a permanent staff. They will do research on individual problems. Children, I will ask a question on the paragraph that we read. What will the research students be doing? The research students will be carrying on research on various national problems. Booklets will be published in every provincial language by the propaganda department and will be distributed free among the general public. Apart from that, a book will be published by the propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. In such a book, the policy of the organization will be explained and the grounds on which such a policy has been formulated will also be given. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings. Booklet means a small, thin book. Provincial means regions in a country. Published means prepare and issue for sale. Propaganda means used to promote a view. Organization means group with particular purpose. Formulated means create or prepare in a systematic way. Children, in this paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose says that the propaganda department will publish these researches in provincial language and distribute among the public for free. In addition to those booklets, a book will be printed with each and every question on the national life and the policies of the organization with explanation should be published. Children, let us read the paragraph together. Booklets will be published in every provincial language by the propaganda department and will be distributed free among the general public. Apart from that, a book will be published by the propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. In such a book, the policy of the organization will be explained and the grounds on which such a policy has been formulated will also be given. Children, based on the paragraph that we read, I will ask you a question. In what languages will the booklets be published? Booklets will be published in every provincial language by the propaganda department. I have written so much. These questions are not new to you. I feel that tremendous work lies ahead of us in connection with the movement. If you wish so, I shall probably be able to make some contribution in this respect. I am yours respectfully, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is an abridged version. Children, let us learn some new words and its meaning. Tremendous means impressive or inspiring. Contribution means piece of writing or a gift. Abridged means having been shortened. Children, finally, Subhash Chandra Bose concludes his letter by writing that such questions may not be new to you. He says that he feels there is a lot of inspiring work to do in the future through the movement. His wish was to able to contribute to the movement. Children, let us read this paragraph together. I have written so much. These questions are not new to you. I feel that tremendous work lies ahead of us in connection with the movement. If you wish so, I shall probably be able to make some contribution in this respect. I am yours respectfully, Subhash Chandra Bose. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns who, what, whom, which, whose are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Examples: who made that noise? Who is an interrogative pronoun. Which is your book? Which is a interrogative pronoun. Whose is this pen? Whose is an interrogative pronoun. What is the matter? What is an interrogative pronoun. Whom do you want to see? Whom is an interrogative pronoun. Relative pronouns. The pronouns who, whom, whose, which and that, which join two sentences and refer to nouns going before them, are called as relative pronouns. Who, whom and whose are used for persons only, which are used for animals and things without life. That is used for persons, animals and things. This is the boy, he won the prize. This is the boy who won the prize. Who is used for persons only. Boy is a person. This is the house. Jack built it. This is the house that Jack built it. That is used for persons, animals and things. House is a thing. This is the horse. It won the race. This is the horse which won the race. Which is used for animals and things without life also. Horse is an animal, so we use which. These are the boys. Their parents are there. These are the boys whose parents are there. Whose are used for persons only. Since boys are persons, we have used whose. He is a policeman. Everyone trusts him. He is a policeman whom everyone trusts. Whom is used because it is referred to a person. And therefore, since policemen are persons, we use the word whom. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Question 1. The king said to the queen to take the jewels and put dash carefully. Question 2. The lady dash came to see the visitors. Question 3. Dash are mere excuses. Question 4. The boys hid dash. Question 5. Dash are born rich. Question 6. Dash of the boys was given a book. Question 7. Dash do you want to see? Question 8. It is only camels dash can cross the deserts. Answers to the practice exercise on the types of pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Question 1. The king said to the queen to take the jewels and put dash carefully. Them is the answer. Question 2. The lady dash came to see the visitors. Herself is the answer. Question 3. Dash are mere excuses. These is the answer. Question 4. The boys hid dash. Themselves is the answer. Question 5. Dash are born rich. Some is the answer. Question 6. Dash of the boys was given a book. Each is the answer. Question 7. Dash do you want to see? Whom is the answer? Question 8. It is only camels dash can cross the deserts. Which is the answer? Home assignment. Roman number 1. Answer the following. Question 1. Why didn't Subhash Chandra Bose dare to write directly to C.R. Das? Question 2. Through whom did Subhash Chandra Bose send his letter with to C.R. Das? Question 3. Who should publish the booklets and to whom should it be distributed? Roman number 2. Make sentences for the following. Trusted and propaganda. Roman number 3. Choose the correct pronoun given in the brackets. Question 1. We scored as many goals as dash. Question 2. Between you and dash, he is trustworthy. Question 3. The boy dash fell off his bicycle has hurt his leg. Question 4. Seema is the maid dash I have employed. Question 5. She dash saw the snake on the floor. Children, we have come to the end of this lesson. We will meet again in the next session with a new lesson. Until then, stay home and take care.